Why there's paint?
What?
There's paint.
Paint? Let me see.
I see blue right there.
You got blue in your cereal? Stir it up. See what happens. What in the world is going on with your cereal? Guess what?
What?
I did April Fool's joke on you. Your milk's blue. That's funny.
Look, do it. Backwards.
Mommy put blue food coloring in there. Look at that.
What's that?
I put blue food coloring in there. Is that funny?
I don't like blue